I don't see it being live streamed.
Yeah, I know. I just started it.
Oh.
Get the Roblox music.
Yeah, you already know. Hopefully it's not copyrighted. I hope it's not copyrighted. Because YouTube actually cares for some reason. For some odd reason they care about copyright law. What should we do? Non-copyrighted synth wave music. There we go.
Why is it focused on my screen? This is crazy.
Oh, here you go. I have multiple views. I got the setup. I know I mainly do the streams just for, you know, so production has a lot, like, material of the things that we do on the computer, because that's a lot of the work that we do. But occasionally people will join from the FRC community, and we'll talk and chat. It's fun. Get ideas. How have you been?
Sorry, what? I was coughing my lungs out.
I gotcha. How, you got Fusion installed? I'm trying to think of something you can work on.
Yeah.
Hey, wait, Ryan, do you think you can help me find FRC battery?
Oh yeah, help him with the battery. He's been struggling. He's been.
What are you looking for?
It's been taking forever to find this. He's trying to rip the He's trying to get a CAD model of the FRC approved battery. He found a one shape of it, but it doesn't. It don't work. He's been struggling to.
What do you?
Get it out.
An FRC approved battery. Do you know like the name or the brand or anything?
Yes.
There's only one There's one battery. You can get different brands, but it's the same exact size and shape and capacity. There's no difference from what I know. That is.
So what are like the specs or whatever, so I can look it up?
Look up FRC battery. That should do it.
This
Sorry.
this thing?
Let me look.
I don't really know what I'm looking for.
There's nothing personal on your screen, right? No funky bookmarks or anything?
No, hopefully not.
Alright, it's okay. Oh, never mind. I can just make it so it's not. Yeah, that thing.
Okay, so I gotta find a CAD file for it.
Yeah, find a CAD model of that for Braden if you can. That'd be a big help.
Found the other 4 CAD models easily.
Braden, I think he literally just found a model in like
Did
2
you just
seconds.
find it immediately?
This is,
He
literally made
battery CAD file. It's the first thing. There's 2 of them.
He's been looking for the past. Like, I had enough time to set up OBS and get the stream going, and the time it took him to. Wow, that's crazy. Braden, you're useless. I just want you to know that.
All right.
I'm kidding.
This one, I mean, this one's basically perfect. Yeah, I'll send that link to you. Bro, I gotta make an account. Oh my.
Just go ahead once. Oh, let's go to the other scene. It's okay. It wasn't. I changed it quick, kind of. Okay, we'll have to.
Oh boy.
Nip that part out. Yeah.
What's
This is all because I refuse to look.
Who's Figgle? What's Figgle doing here?
We're streaming, Marshall. You're ruining it. Are you helping us design, Marshall? It's a design stream.
Well, this is in general.
Yeah.
I didn't know what you were doing until I joined.
No, you're welcome to stay. I'm not saying you have to leave or anything.
Who's Figgle?
That's
What?
Ryan.
What?
He's an intern.
Oh.
Yeah.
I know Ryan.
You do?
Definitely. Yeah.
Your
100%.
microphone is just amazing as per usual.
You're just.
I finally fixed it this time.
Fixed it, did you? You fixed it.
Yeah. You see, I've been playing 4D chess this whole time. I was intentionally destroying the mic the entire time.
I just want you to know, every single time you speak, the desktop audio maxes out according to OBS. Like, it just goes red. Like, anytime you speak, any utterance of a word.
fine. I'm the only one watching the stream.
Who's watching this stream?
Yeah. I have no idea. I don't check. I just start and then end it.
Okay.
It's not a gaming stream, you know. It's,
Oh, I love these possibly metal connector pieces you're building. Look interesting.
If any comments appear, I will forward them to you. Or
well,
I'll
I
just
have it. I do have it
Yeah.
open. Like I am watching to see if anyone says anything. Occasionally, you know, surprisingly, last year we did build up some actual like viewers. When we would stream, we get like a good 10 viewers.
Oh
It's
wow.
crazy. Like
10 whole
Oh,
viewers.
I'm gonna go to sleep.
the fact
Sleep
that
tight.
anyone wanted to
Good
watch
night.
the workshop action was crazy. All right, good night, Marshall.
Skibidi.
Should we do the ghost stream again?
Maybe I should change it from maybe I should change the title from McDonald's sauce has crack in it to something a little more design FRC 9086 design stream day 2.
Ryan, where did you find the link to the thing? The battery?
I think he's just gonna import it for you.
What?
If you can, upload it into the electronics folder.
Yeah, I don't know if it's me, but you're cutting out a whole bunch.
Am I cutting out?
Not for me. Are you getting any packet loss, Ryan?
Not that
You know-
I'm seeing.
The internet may not be the best right now because... One second. I gotta
Isn't this
check
stay
something.
free?
Yeah, I'll put this in.
6,800 kilobits per second bit rate. That's crazy. Alright, let me up it. YouTube's complaining. Apparently the bit rate is not high enough. Here, look at Braden's stream while I fix the problem. Oh, that's not. There we go.
Okay, so it's all okay. So if you go to, so are you in the design team group, Ryan?
I do what's needed.
He's
No, I mean, do you have
helpful.
access to it on Fusion? Sorry.
No.
I probably.
I don't think I have access to all that stuff. I found the battery file in Fusion.
Gotcha.
I think
Could you,
I sent it to you. I think it fucked up though.
What is your email? What is your school email address? I muted the Discord audio for the stream. Okay, well, when you send it in chat, it pops up as a notification. 3765. Yeah. Bro, just completely invalidated me muting the audio. Alright, I sent you an invite. It's whatever. The school emails are literally useless anyways for anybody.
About to lose him next year anyway.
Yeah. They actually, not even next year, dude. They delete it immediately when you graduate. If you want to save any of your work, copy it now. Because they don't give you any time to. Alright, I sent you an invite to the group.
Oh, Jonah, do you know if they spared any room for us in the new school, just as engineer for the
Yes,
robotics lab?
They did.
They did.
Yes. You should have
Is
full,
it big?
like, metal. We'll have metal working capabilities. Which will be nice. We'll be able to make our own stuff. YouTube is really complaining about the stream's bitrate. Gosh, gotta stop it. We're back. The video should look better now. Why are we doing this? know what it is. It's probably because I'm streaming like 4K.
Probably it. Might want to downgrade.
Okay, whatever. The stream is what it is. I'm not messing with it anymore. Alright. Your school email. It should be. You sure you didn't get any invite to the base camp team? You should have got one.
Are you talking about
On your school email.
like recently or just in general?
Like you should have got it a couple seconds ago. Like. Yeah, Brian. Once I add you to the project, you should be able to, you know, you'll be able to see all the other files.
Okay.
I think I figured it out. Editor, invite. I think I send. Okay. It's sent my invitation now. You should be on the project now. If you accept the invitation.
Alright, I see it.
And could you upload the battery to the electronics folder, please?
Yeah.
Okay. As much as I hate it, I think I'm gonna have to do something a little jank with the crossbar bracket because I accidentally created a circular reference, and that's not good. Oh crap. Bad things. Braden, what are you working on?
Literally nothing. You want to know the truth?
Okay. What if you work on a manipulate a little grabber idea?
A grabber idea? Like like a sketch?
Like try and 3D model. Yeah, we'll try and start working on the little grabber. It will use, keep in mind the end of our arm is most likely going to be like a 2x2 max tube or something like that.
Yes. Probably. They'll look custom machines, but probably. I'm gonna rename the folder to ARM stages instead of ARM stage 1.
Let's see, we'll drag in the file into the thing, crash my thing. I think it will. Oh, no, it works. Just takes forever. 1, 2. Did your fusion crash, Ryan?
No, I just moved it to my monitor for a second. Let me see.
How good are you? I want to start you with something that's easy and then work your way up, because I don't want to just throw a ARM stage 1 at you where you have to design the little moving thing, you know. I'm thinking, would you be interested in maybe, would you be interested in maybe thinking about intake designs, or that's a little, could you, okay, I'm not gonna ask you to CAD them, but could you come up with some ideas for an intake design, and just a couple of them?
Yeah.
And then we can, once we get past the drivetrain, then we'll talk about that.
Yo, this damn link.
Yeah, how do we remember how the goal is to suck it up off the floor and put it in our chassis?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that.
I'm gonna use the 4-inch compliant wheels with the soft green.
So the color actually determines the
Yes.
grippiness.
Yeah, I think green's the
So
best.
no.
The grippy. Is it not?
Yeah, red. I believe green is the grippiness, and grippiness is measured in duro meters or whatever they
Yes,
use.
it's 35A. Green.
Some weird
And
thing.
then gray is 80A, whatever that means.
80A, Americans Disability Act. What are you talking about?
What? It
I
says
know.
no.
$180. $180. And now we attach it. And then we get the wonderful job of screws. Oh.
Yeah, I forgot. Are these tires part of Rev Robotics? Or what were they?
Great question. Let me switch. What are you looking for?
Duo
Rev
compliant wheels
Robot-
here. Here it is.
Andy Mark sells tires. Rev Robotics sells tires. You can. I mean, there's no such thing as a robot specific tire. You know what I mean. You can buy tires.
Yeah.
Just find tires.
I'm looking for green ones
You can buy it
specific.
from anywhere. I believe Andy Mark sells those.
Two-inch compliant wheel. I'm debating between 2-inch compliant wheels and 4-inch compliant wheels. I'll go with 2-inch for now, I think.
Go with 4-inch. Well,
When you-
I'll let you come up with the design, but those are like a friction fit type of thing. They're very small. What were you saying, Ryan?
When you added me to the FRC team, did you add like my school email?
Yeah, I did.
Hold on.
Did you accept it?
I don't really fucking use I don't even use my school email for Fusion.
Oh, you don't? What is your, just give me your personal then.
Yeah, I'll just give you that.
Wait a second, do you have a license to Fusion? Because I don't think I can invite you to the team if you don't have a paid license of some sort. Here, I'll try. Just give me your email. Well, hold on, I'll say it. Okay, just tell me it. LEY, right? At what's the don't okay. How in the world did you well, never mind the numbers. I thought you were gonna end and just not say any numbers, and I was just like, what? How do you even get that email? You know, all the normal ones are taken up. Yeah. Alright. Yep. Yeah, look, they're attached. Yeah. What is it? It's gonna be on Rev Parts just put it under the Rev Parts Electronics. Congratulations. 0.25, 1.5. What? 5M screw. One second. People. Hold on, I forgot. They changed it. I can't just do it in the thing. Like, I go to the browser interface. What do you mean you have editor? It says you have editor right here. It won't let you update. It literally says you're an editor, though. Hold on, let me look at your screen share. What do you mean? Alright,
Start uploading the Fusion.
So go to Fusion 360. What is that app? That's crazy looking. What is this massive update I missed out on? My Fusion looks completely different.
Let me see yours. What's yours look like?
Where did my design team just go? It just literally disappeared in front of my eyes.
It's gone forever. Never to be seen again.
Read only. You have basic access to this doc. What?
But even outside over here, I only have.
Weird.
It says not available with basic access.
And I need
Why do I only have?
the org to Wildcat Robotics and not just my name.
Oh, maybe I do. Maybe I have to switch to my school account. It says I have a personal license. Yeah, I gotta switch.
Yeah. You do have. You should have been sent. You did engineering 3, right?
Yeah, I should have.
Okay, so then you should have a school account still.
All right. Let's try
Any
this.
other than Peterson, I imagine, would have shared a key with you by now.
Jonah, can you watch my stream real quick?
Yeah.
So I've tried to upload this file. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. It's a step file. It's 2 megabytes. When I upload it, it just does absolutely nothing.
Hold on.
It's the
Let me
wheels.
one second. Let me watch your stream. Okay, select files. Is it a step file? Open.
File. Open.
Okay. You gotta click the
Okay,
upload button.
it's being put into that file, and then it's just nothing.
Go out to 2025 robot and double check that it wasn't uploaded somewhere else. Oh. Go back into it. Try uploading again. This is weird. Really weird. Change location. Yeah, there's a problem. Go out and go back into it, because to add Ryan, I had to update our team to this weird thing, and yeah. Yeah, just restart Fusion.
I'll restart
Actually-
it.
Yeah, just restart Fusion, and that should fix your problems. They changed how their teams work, so they had to update everything. Oh gosh.
Ew. Gotta put this bitch back on dark mode.
Use dark mode.
Yes, I hate looking at that white. Yeah,
I mean, it is blinding. It's if you look at the stream, I imagine I'm like, I mean,
Keep you awake.
there's a glow coming off of my monitor, but
It's to keep you awake.
yeah, it's very effective. I don't know why white on black just ain't it. Let me try this. Let's try dark mode Fusion. I use dark mode for
I didn't
everything
know I had
else.
dark mode.
I didn't either. Workspace.
Well, it doesn't even make anything. It doesn't make anything else dark except the freaking thing, which I hate.
How do I do it?
You go to-
Preferences?
You go down bottom, just in the very bottom taskbar. You click on
Display
display settings, and then it's an environment. You
Okay,
turn on
yeah.
dark sky.
Is it visual style or environment? Oh, dark.
Environment. Yeah,
Oh,
you turn that on.
what does that look like when I open? That's like a lot better.
I like it more. I think it looks like not shit.
Yeah, I agree. 2025 robot. I'm gonna open the drive base. See what it looks
There we
like.
go, finally.
Oh my gosh, that looks awesome. Brighten, turn on dark mode. It looks sick.
Where's the setting?
That's the coolest thing. Look at this thing. Just look at my stream, I guess. I didn't know this was a thing. That's really cool.
What?
I know.
Where is it? I want
It's
it.
nice because it makes it super easy to see the joints because they're not on that white background.
Where is it? I want this. Where's the settings?
Bottom, you click on the display settings, environment, dark sky.
Okay, for some reason, I'm logged into my school account.
Not there. On the
Where?
bottom, you said?
It says I don't have a license on my school account.
That must have expired, I
Oh,
suppose.
crap. I gotta text Peter.
Yeah, wake his ass up. Tell him to issue me another one.
I don't think I have perms to issue one.
Oh, we got our first chat member.
That's annoying. Try signing up with your school email.
To answer,
It
to
might
answer your
automatically
question,
issue you one.
to answer your question, we're designing our chassis for the FRC
There's some
robotics.
question thing. Got a question? Oh yeah, we're designing our 2025 FRC robot. We are. I think we have what I believe is a pretty good idea that we've kind of dialed in on. Here, I'll show you the sketch. there's this coral pretty much. We're gonna do a like a two-axis telescopic arm with a grabber for the coral on the end and an intake. So intake at one side, the arm will come down, grab it, and then we drive backwards and the arm flips around and places the coral. And it should be able to get all 3 levels.
4, technically, I think.
4, 3.
It might be tricky. It might be a weird angle to get L1, but it should be able to get L1.
Yeah, L1's not really worth it though. It's like 2 points, I think.
Well, it's worth it for the ranking point.
Oh yeah, it is. Alright, Ryan,
again,
if you can't get a
L1.
working account for Fusion, just if you can't get a working account for Fusion, just gosh, what am I trying to say? Words hard. I'm very tired. I'll have him get you one tomorrow, and then we can, like, you know, you can really get started on the design. But just like for concepts for our intake, that like you could do that even without, just on like your personal or even just drawing. Just whatever you want to do. I just want some concepts. On
Yeah, I can just make it on my personal account.
A flip down intake that aligns it into a favorable position for picking up. Yeah. I'm surprised you don't have a school account yet. We'll fix that. The only crappy part about the school accounts is they are going to get deleted very quickly after graduation. Can I get away with deleting this?
So I have a compliant wheel here. I'm debating on whether making it exactly like 4 inches, like to grab the coral perfectly, or making it slightly less, knowing that the wheel can, like, you know, bend.
It's a compliant wheel, so I would plan for a little bit of compression. Otherwise, what's the point having the compliant wheel?
You're right. So I guess I'll measure it to the inner diameter of 4 inches.
You don't need like a crazy amount of squish, but just like a little bit of squish should be good.
I was considering doing a 1/4 inch of squish. I think, is that too much?
A 1/4 inch? That's fine.
Okay. Perfect.
Look at the little squishy part of it. Measure from the outside wheel to the inner of the squishy part. And see how many inches that is. That inner look, just select the outside. With the inspect tool. No, that's not the squishy part. Those spokes, the wheel's all the same material.
Oh,
you know that, right?
Yeah.
The inner ring, the inner ring to the outer ring. No, a little higher. But select the face. Just select the inner face. No, right there. Yeah. Now measure from that to the outside. Just press I. What was that? It sounded like a drill went off.
Oh, you hear it through my headset?
Was that? Yeah, I could.
I found some coral intake designs.
About 0.8 inches.
0.8. Yeah, 0.25 inches of squish wouldn't be too crazy then.
Alright. And it should provide a very strong grip.
Yeah.
Theoretically. So it doesn't.
Okay. I found... Okay, so this one has a... This is from one of those 3-day builds. Not that this is a perfect idea, just because it's a 3-day build. But essentially, this is two different 3-day build teams have this. which it is. It's like y'all's intake system on the last year's FRC robot, where it's like the two sets of wheels, and then it gets close to it and it sucks it up. But then it's like a tapered, like it's like a V shape. So it is. Oh, here I can kind of draw it. So there's like the.
Is it like the big wheels on the front, small wheels on the back?
It like. I don't know. I mean I can just draw it. So like, there's the rectangle. There's like a rectangular opening right here like this. And then after this is where the coral gets sucked up right here. And then after the coral gets sucked up, then it just like tapers off into a smaller tube like this. And it just goes like, so it'd be like this. Yeah. So basically it's sucked up right here. And then there are wheels right here.
Is it like the kinematic wheels that self-align it?
Yes. So it'll turn it, it turns it.
Video, yeah. And then it has
probably
omnidirectionals in the middle so that it just goes straight at that point.
This one doesn't, because one of the descriptions they're talking about, there's like they notice there's dead space like right here, to where sometimes the coral will get caught and just not move, and you kind of have to like forcefully move it. But basically there's wheels right here, they're like vertical facing, and then it pushes the coral up right here, and it doesn't matter if it's horizontal or vertical. Eventually these wheels are just it's basically just gonna ram align it until it fits, which is probably a better way to do that. But then it just feeds it up into this tube right here, and then they have it. I see some sort of tube that it goes into. Let me look. Hold on. Let's see this.
So we should be able to spin on these compliant wheels with one set of motor,
we
one
just
motor,
use
right?
One motor with a belt system. Let's use some belts.
I'm not sure how to design that, but
set it up for the. Just get the cons.
Well,
look into it. Basically, if you use the max tube stuff and basically if you use the Rev Max tube and the belt components designed for the max tube spacing is perfect for the belts, or for certain size belts.
Oh,
yeah, it makes it real easy. Really easy. Would highly recommend. And preferably, Ryan, it has to. The mechanism, it can't go 12 inches outside of our robot from our frame, not the bumpers. So it's got to go over the bumpers, basically.
Gotcha.
It's got to be light enough to flip in and out. We should do a YouTube Shorts live stream. That would get viewers. Have you seen those? I know Ryan doesn't have a phone, but have you seen those, Ryan, the stupid shorts live streams? And they're literally like brain rot, and they have thousands of viewers.
Yeah.
It's crazy. It's like sub to kill me in Minecraft, like to kill me in Minecraft, and they're like flying around this thing launching. It's brain rot.
Sub to delete current design.
So, I mean,
yeah.
all these designs I'm looking at, people are doing like a dual coral intake. So it's like for coral and algae.
Yeah.
Do we need to do
We'll have
algae?
we're gonna have a separate mechanism for algae. We're just worried about the coral for this intake.
We're trying to specialize in coral, like, to the best of our ability.
Yeah, I know. We'll probably be
I'm
able.
like trying to do everything
Basically,
last
we're
year.
gonna do the coral and the deep lift, and then we're gonna do the algae. The algae is not part of our goal right now. Oh, what am I doing? I didn't even.
It only scores 4 points anyway, maximum.
And most likely someone else will be able to do it. But if they can't, we're still gonna try it. It's just the third thing down, and
These compliant wheels should also be able to force algae off the reef as well, if necessary, if need be.
That's good.
Because they're exposed. Everybody lines the wheel.
First five. Let's go. Tell you what, it's gonna be such a pain going back through here and counting all of these screws. It's gonna be a fun time.
You want me to do that as busy work?
Master core, I need like a 5M, 1.5-inch screw.
Maybe I can do that as busy work. Also, how many of these beams are you installing? Like just one, or on both sides?
5M-inch screw.
This is on. This is.
It's M5. 1.5-inch. Hey Google, what's 1.5 inches in millimeters? I think it's like. I forgot. 38.
I'm having a hard time trying to align these compliant wheels. I don't know what to grab to align them to the stupid square.
40.
So I need to somehow use this align command to get on the square, which is just a placeholder for the coral.
Did you do any, Brayden, the screws did you choose? Were they like black ones, or what color were they? Do you remember?
It should say
Or were they just
on the.
normal, like screw color?
I'm pretty sure they were black.
It's not
But
crazy.
just check the name of the screw. Just check the name of the
Make
screw.
them
It should
the
say.
same color if I can.
How do I align this? Weird.
Stainless, grade 8 stainless steel hex head screw. Okay. 18.
Look at that. Oh, I.
Damn, that's loud.
Hello.
Hello.
Yo, what's up?
Alright, I can hear y'all now.
6.51.
Yeah, I was wondering why I got so quiet. I had to fix my thing.
Of course, the solution. It didn't get that quiet.
Yeah. Did I pick the perfect screw first try?
Probably not. I'm gonna be honest.
I bet I did. I took measurements.
I mean, I guess it took me like 2 attempts, but that was just because one of them was too short.
Oh my gosh, it's perfect.
Perfect.
Maybe it's perfect.
That's too close. That's too close for a bolt. For a friction bolt.
I'm gonna get the nut.
You might need it.
And then I'm gonna make that.
You might need like 5 extra millimeters. Which I think they have it for.
I think this is the same.
It's M5. It's an M5 nut. As long as it's coarse, it should be fine.
Yeah, well, as long as the friction fit is around the screw, then it's long. Then it's perfectly fine. Oh. Yeah, that's not long enough. Crap.
You almost said it.
I did. I need a 40 millimeter one. Oh, that was close. Just kind of make a list of like design options. You can do a bunch of ones that you find, but also come up with some, unique ones. And don't be afraid to use like polyurethane belts, because we learned how to use those this year.
You did?
Yeah.
I don't recall that, but whatever.
Apparently we can weld them, and they're actually not that hard to use. And they're very grippy. Especially like polyurethane drums as well. Good. M5 40 millimeters. Hex head.
I'm doing the most convoluted way to do this, but I don't care. As long as it works in the end. Which it will. Probably.
Hopefully this. Yeah, that should be plenty long enough, I'd imagine. Yeah. Alright. Export to a file. Design.
So wait, was did we make regionals our first year, but we just didn't have the money to attend?
Ooh, yeah, we did. In fact, they
Oh,
kept it
that's unfortunate.
secret from us. The only person that got told was my dad. Peterson called him and was like, "Hey, we got accepted to regionals, but should we really go?" And we didn't go. Yeah, that one's never been told before. I'm sure the seniors are very happy. I'm sure the ex-seniors are very happy to hear that one.
So they are very not happy.
They skim through and hit that exact moment. Then
Nobody knows.
I actually like modeling the screws. It makes the model feel like it brings it together. I mean, that's literally what screws do, but I don't know, that's how it feels.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
It's nice not having, like, just holes. Oh my gosh, I brought over the frickin' the one that's... I brought over 6 of the wrong one. That's really annoying. I just wasted my frickin' time.
Alright, so now I need to I should be able to do a radial thing. What? Jonah, how come it didn't drag along the...
What?
Can you switch over to my...
Click OK.
Yeah, why didn't...
Click OK. Weird. Joint the wheel together then, and then joint it over.
This is a temporary assembly though.
Sounds like a great problem for you to solve. You have all the tools you have. You have all the tools you need.
Of course I do. Yes. I just select the center. I just want to select the center. That's not even aligned. What even is that? What? That didn't even align them.
The magic of Fusion 360. Best software on the planet. Don't question it. It knows what's right.
Clearly.
You're just a mere mortal. You never understand.
Fusion's like the evil AI that's gonna kill us all.
Oh, all these links broken.
I'm just gonna align it in 2 separate parts, and if you don't give me a proper answer, there's nothing you can do to stop me.
If it's wrong, you have to do it.
Yeah, whatever. Perfect. No mistakes. Perfect. No mistakes happened in the process. Absolutely none.
When in the world did all of these yellow arrows get here? Why are they yellow? You shouldn't have any yellow.
It's all my fault, I bet.
If you see any errors in your timeline, make sure you fix
It's not my fault.
it. Well, I didn't introduce them, and the last person that said it was you. Actually, it was me. But hold on, I'm opening the. Okay, well, I guess. No, you're still there. Let's try. 17. Okay, whatever. I guess I'm putting all the nuts back on the freaking thing. Absolutely. Look what you did, Bird. It's all your fault.
All my fault.
Hey. Oh, dang it. I was gonna see if Ryan could do it for me, but he literally can't right now.
What are you trying to do?
I was gonna ask if you
Busy
could.
work.
All of these nuts, their joints have broken. And I was gonna ask if you could fix them all, but you can't because you don't. I literally can't give you access to it until we get your fusion thing set up. I guess before I go any further. Oh, that's fun. That's really fun. Wow.
Have fun with your fun.
All of the base plate nuts are at. It's fine.
Welcome to my
You know
fun.
why it's fine, Brandon? Because I use a mouse to CAD. Did you know this, Ryan? He uses a trackpad for CAD. He's insane. Like, clinically insane.
Yep.
I think we should put you in a home, a home where you need it.
Nah.
Only crazy people use trackpad.
Okay.
Just admitted it.
Yeah, I did.
Let me make.
Jonah, look at this. I did
Yes.
something useful.
Wow, look at that. Now make it work.
I have no idea how to do that.
Well, congratulations. You're in the right place
Thank you.
because your entire job is figuring out how to do things.
Yay. Woo. Sanity check. This should work though, right?
Looks like
Take
it.
it. Kidding.
I'm
Well,
really
people
annoyed
about-
that Ryan can't help. I actually like do have stuff I could get him to do, but he needs the files or access to them.
Thank God I have access.
What? Yeah.
I was making a joke.
Thank God you don't. Or that it flew
What the?
over my ear, I'm sorry.
Someone else has joined the
It
stream.
really did. I could hear it. It was like a jet. It sounded like a jet. I'm very tired. It's kind of weird. Sleep deprivation's a really weird thing, you know. Like I got 3 hours of sleep yesterday. Is it yet? No, today. Like I went, like I woke up at 9, like with literally 3 hours of sleep, and like I was super tired coming when I got home. Like I almost fell asleep, but then I got on my computer and started designing, and like I could go until the morning. I could go back to school. You know, I mean, I'd feel like absolute crap and probably fall asleep, but it's weird. I can like. It got better, even though I haven't slept yet, or taken any Red Bulls or anything.
I like how you refer to it as taking Red Bulls.
It's a drug. It's like drugs. Red Bull's drugs.
Literally is a drug. It's caffeine.
Red Bull should pay us for this. They should get in contact with us and sponsor design.
Like imagine sponsored by Red Bull.
Sponsored by Red Bull. Who? Design competition. Who can design the robot the fastest?
Why do you redo those ones again? What was wrong with them?
Because the joints broke and I caught it, and I didn't want to wait until further down the line when fixing them would be a lot more of a pain. You want to fix errors the moment you see them in the timeline. You don't want to wait.
Is it because I replaced the base plate with the contoured one? Or was it after that?
That's exactly why. What do you mean? You completely complete. That's why it didn't save the friggin' holes. It's because you didn't save it's a completely new plate. You may as well have changed all the holes. That's effectively what you did. So you did,
Right.
So what you're saying it wasn't me that did it. It was you. And I should sentence you to putting all of the nuts back where
No,
they need to
you should
go.
not do that.
Okay. It's very tempting. I'm kidding. I'm almost done already. You know why? Because I have a mouse, not a trackpad. I can't get over how you use a trackpad to, like, it took you 47 minutes to put all the screws on because you have a trackpad. Takes forever to move around. It'd be fine. It would be okay if you had a CAD mouse for navigating, but like those are $178. You're better off just buying a mouse.
What if people have done this 4-wheel design? Watch me
Well, you need
assemble
more
this
than
and
4
it doesn't
wheels.
work. Why?
Well, you're gonna want a way to prevent it from going too far back. What do you mean? It doesn't have to be. Like you're gonna want like at least 2 rows for stability.
Really?
Yeah, and just belt them all together. Connect them all somehow. Alright. All of that is... Oh no, there's a leftover one. Oh gosh, we're not done yet.
I think it's solely because of the new base plate that caused that.
It's because you it's because you effectively deleted the old one.
But that won't happen anymore since we're only going to be punching holes through this one.
Yeah.
I wonder who else is watching the stream. It says 2 watching.
Mr. P.
Sponsor lying on us.
He is.
Alright. Did I... Oh gosh, did I do it? Or did I not? To do it or not to do it? Question. I forgot where I was going with that. Alright, Brian, I have a simple question for you. Could you answer it?
Depends on how simple it is.
Could you update us on the current socio-economic and political state of the world right now?
That's a very simple question.
I know. It's like kindergartner stuff. I'm kidding.
I'll do it in one. I'll do it in one word. Hell.
On fire. That's a good answer. Alright. Am I high or like? Did you just place an extra nut here because it's not? There's nowhere else to put the thing. I think you just don't know how to count right.
I didn't even place them there. You were the one that placed the nut there.
I didn't do that. Encoding overloaded. Consider turning down video settings or using it faster. Encoder press. Guys, we're streaming at too high quality for my 3080 and the sounds of it.
Can't keep up anymore, bro. Go and get a 4090.
Yeah. I know. Gotta get the 5090. Did you see the price leak for that?
Yeah.
I hope
Wait,
that's not
the,
real.
the 5060 is still gonna have 8 gigabytes.
Yeah. I
didn't see that. What was it?
Insane. Like
$5,090.
I think it was like over 1.5 thousand US dollars for a 3080. A 3080. Yeah. Insane.
Oh no, the guy left. Mr. P left.
No, we still have another one.
That's me.
You scared him off. He kept breaking the fourth wall. Oh no, they're back. Yeah, it's probably Ryan messing. I wouldn't be surprised if he's opening and closing it on the second one.
I'm not.
I wish I could see who it is. Unfortunate. You know, a lot of time we do have a couple subscribers that actually do watch our streams.
We just like lose 4 subscribers by doing this.
Occasionally they'll tune in.
And subscribe.
Scrooge. Design inserted from another hub will not be linked. Components from the selected design will be copied. No. What do you mean from another hub? What does that mean? Okay, we'll cut to the global link.
Figure this out. Come pick it up about this. Ah.
Gosh. Components from another will not be linked and copied into Project Fusion 360. think I just need to recreate the file. Fusion. Apparently it's possible for it to just, like, break.
Right.
Seems like a good problem for ChatGPT.
Every problem's a good problem for ChatGPT. Objectively not. Good ones.
I'm so confused. It's on the Wildcat Robotics friggin' team. Okay, hold on. I gotta. Is it because I changed the name to Wildcat Robotics and not just my first name? That'd be so stupid. It's the same team. It's just it. Oh, it totally is.
There's 8 wheels now. 2 layers of 4. You think that's enough?
Yeah, and then I just have a backing for it that holds it at the perfect, so that you just back it all the way up into the perfect position. You haven't even done axles, dude. Like, you're not done. You just, congratulations, you positioned the wheels correctly. You're like 15% of the way there. Or like 25%.
I have no idea how I'm supposed to belt this. First I'm gonna find an axle, I think.
You see, I need to learn to stop answering your taking your rhetorical questions seriously. Because they're very convincing. You say, I have no idea. When you say I have no idea how to do this, that means I'm currently thinking of a way to do it.
Of course. Maybe make a MasterCard has...
Save this.
Let's make MasterCard have axles. I don't think they do. Wait, what?
Rev sells hex
Axles.
axles. Dude, go to their website. Just look through their catalog real quick. And Andy Mark sells hex axles too. So does McMasterCar. There's standard sizes for hex axles. A synthwave.
I 5mm hex shafts. Perfect. We can cut the axle down to length, right? Okay, got it.
Something we can do. Take strength into account. We turned those hex axles into pretzels last year. Even though the strong ones aren't always as strong as they seem.
Should I just put the axles in the wheels section? You think?
No, I'd make an axle section
Bro,
because they're not always for wheels.
I suppose yeah.
Sometimes they're for gears.
Holder for one thing.
It's actually pretty crazy. Our average view duration has been 6 minutes and 55 seconds. I think that's pretty good for what we're streaming. Okay.
Probably start finding at the average. I've been watching the whole stream.
Yeah, but your thing only counts for one. This is unique viewers, and we've had 13 unique viewers.
We're just doing nonsense, really.
What do you mean we're doing nonsense? We're designing our FRC robot.
There's no nonsense about this, bro.
Exactly. Are you disrespecting our craft?
Oh my god.
That's what it sounds. It sounds like it's disrespectful.
That's what it sounded like to me,
Yeah.
personally.
Better cool it, but
I'm about to be brutally mauled to death.
Yes, twin.
yeah.
Don't say that stuff, bro. You know the rules.
Talk us. Okay, we're going to something other than 80s synthwave. Let's see. I'll be really creative. We'll go to dystopian synthwave. Copyright free. Oh no, guys, I have the perfect song. What is that one where it's like a descent into dementia? It's like 8 hours.
I know what you're talking about.
It's Journey to the End of Time. We're gonna play that.
That's what this feels like right now.
Oh wait, no, I don't think it's that. One second, I gotta turn you up. But
How am I supposed to trim this stupid axle? It's a component.
not
it's
in
not
that
a, is it a
file. Oh, well, you're just figuring out. Remember, writing assembly files for custom parts. But what you have right there is your assembly file. Oh no, it's not Journey to the End of Time. It's Caretaker at the End of Time. We listened to the full. I remember one day we actually got from the beginning all the way to the end in one go at a meeting. That was crazy. I know, I wish we were in the I wish the semester ended like just before December and then started back up at the start of December, because we would have been playing Christmas music to mess with Miss Taft like on December 1st. Just make a 24/7 playlist, leave it on just loud enough so that they can all hear it in the background all the time. Just like the same 4 Christmas songs, nothing crazy.
the beginning of December?
Yeah.
All the way to the end.
And we play it until March.
What? That's a bit too long, I think.
Christmas is however long you make it. There is no length.
Not sure about that one. I made the axle 3 inches long. I have no justification for that, but I just thought it was a
Guys,
good
I just
number.
realized I should play the caretaker in here so you guys can hear it. And just... It's beautiful. And that would simplify the audio. I don't have permissions to join your voice channel.
Get banned, buddy.
It's a music bot. Permissions.
Have you ever done a gaming stream on this channel?
Yeah. No, we have a Wildcat Gaming channel for that.
We do have a Wildcat Gaming channel.
I don't think we made a gaming video though. I think it's just a joke. Yeah.
Say Rust Survival one. On Wildcat Gaming.
General edit channel permissions. General edit category permissions. Add members, use aux. Bam.
Who is this person that you're adding? Oh, it's a music bot.
Oh, it's so loud.
The perfect music.
Yeah. Yeah, that's how it is the first time for like every music bot. It's just that like
Just piercingly loud, bro.
Yeah. Doesn't seem like a very good music
You're
bot.
piercing.
I think that the song's already getting good on it. That's funny.
We even made this song. I wonder.
Some dude. You know what it is, Braden?
What is it?
It's a story.
I've heard this song before.
No, but you know what it is? It's a story of dementia from the first stage all the way up until death.
What?
Yeah, you're listening to dementia, right? A journey of dementia. The first song is called like Burning Memory. Yeah.
Is that why it has the repeating tune then?
I don't know. Sure. If you wanna analyze the song.
We're gonna hyper analyze the song instead of doing design work.
Yes, bro, that shit comes last.
Guys, it's due on Sunday.
Be alright.
Gosh.
But we don't have to worry about that.
Like, just, like, do you guys understand how much work we have to finish by
Yes.
Sunday?
Stop bringing it up.
Alright. Make it
I
work.
think we got it. With 3 people, like, I think we got it, you know?
I just need to speed up, and then...
Well, you guys, I feel like you'll very quickly get very good. You just gotta get in the... So, you gotta get in the flow of using, you know, pre-manufactured parts combined with your own parts. And then, you know, once you get that, you're good. Things speed up. Grab this. Let's see. Will it let me do this?
Where are the...
Nothing.
Why does I haven't joined? There's like the gaming channel. You stopped watching the stream, Brayden? You're a traitor.
No, I'm still watching the stream. That person just stayed on the stream for like 30 seconds and left.
Are you like just staring at the friggin' view count the whole time?
Yes.
We actually hit 3 at
That's
one point.
that's more important to him than
So I did.
the competition.
Robot. Yeah.
That robot coming last.
Again.
You're gonna have to give him some
Oh, do you still have the BOGO bucket at your
encouragement.
house, like the original articulated BOGO bucket?
I don't know what you're talking about. It disappeared one day, and no one's
Really?
seen it since.
That's not what I heard from like anyone else. They all said you
Yeah.
had it.
Yeah, I don't know what they're talking about. The dude that designed it would never take it home as a souvenir.
Why would that happen?
Exactly. I can't think of a single reason why they would do that.
I feel like you did that.
No, I would never do such a thing. I mean, am I going insane? This is in the same hub. Why is this an issue? This is so stupid. Imagine modeling an entire bridge in this software. That would be...
I would go crazy. Crazy.
Be
That
awful.
being
It'd
said,
crash. It just crash. Alright. Field elements, robot scoring elements. I'm gonna try moving it to this thing.
after years of difficult labor, I managed to get the axle in.
Congratulations.
Now do it fast.
I'm actually going to lose my mind.
Have fun.
Why did the mind losing song stop? I think I have a workaround. I imported this screw from McMaster-Carr, and Fusion's getting like, it's being snappy with, it's like, it's being Fusion, and it's making some weird arbitrary distinction that it shouldn't be making, and it's causing bad things to happen because of it. It's really, really annoying. Try robot screws. Copy. Yep. Paste. And there it is. Yeah. I just heard the song in the bot. Oh, Braden was playing it through his thing. Wondering what that was.
Make you think you're going insane.
Yeah. I thought it worked for a second. I was like, wait a second, the bot's not here anymore. Okay.
I am very fast at designing stuff.
What?
Real. I am very fast at designing stuff.
Are you now?
No.
You'll get there. Oh my gosh, I fixed it.
Good for you.
Yeah,
Good job.
I know. I need you to like 3D print me a reward. Oh my gosh, speaking of 3D print, I just forgot I'm supposed to be printing one of those things because the other one turned to spaghetti.
What
Actually,
thing?
I'll print it tomorrow for him. Designs inserted from another hub will not be linked. Component. What the hell? Even
I
though
still have no
design...
idea how the belts are supposed to work. I need a walkthrough with that.
No, you don't. There is no step by step. This is you figuring it out.
You figure it out immediately.
Exact.
Or you're fired.
You know what to do it off the top of your head?
I could figure it out.
With one motor?
I could figure it out. I'm thinking gears. Or actually, no. Belts.
I was not thinking years at all. I was thinking sprocket and belt, but I just don't see how you do it in like single motor.
Add another motor then. I don't care. Doesn't have to be a beefy. I mean, you can have multiple. It's not set in stone.
Mr. Peterson said to keep as few motors as possible.
Dude, we're literally designing it. These aren't rules. We're making the design. We do
This
what
is
we
a
need to do.
conflict of interest I'm noticing here.
There is.
I also need to go to sleep in like 2 minutes.
No, you don't. What do you need sleep for? People function just fine without sleep.
Yeah,
See?
just like the robot in 3 days people.
Yeah, you see, they have a robot now, right? Like, they're sleeping good for the rest of the semester. Let's just do that. How about we just all stay up for 72 hours and finish the design, like, right now? It's a great idea.
Must be the longest 72 hours of their lives. Of their lives. Hello?
Yeah, still here.
Okay, yeah, just being sure.
Where do you think I went?
No, my
Uh,
internet cuts out at 12.
yeah, I know.
Oh wait,
Not on my laptop.
bro's got a bedtime in 30 seconds.
No, it
Yeah.
already passed.
Oh, wow, that was a quick 30 seconds.
God
Jeez.
damn.
No, it's already on. The internet, or I should say, it's already off.
It's not doing a good job, because I can still hear you.
Wait, is it like the stuff your parents turn on? Because you can bypass that.
You want me to send you a
It's not gonna
folder
work, dude.
full of
It's not.
tools
It's
to
not. It's not
spoof your
on
MAC
my
address
laptop.
to your
It's not on
parents'
my
phone?
laptop.
Yeah.
My laptop, though.
You can literally go to like control panel and you can just change like your Mac ID.
To your parents' phone.
You
Well,
can literally just change it to like a random
Just
number.
change
Like
it.
it doesn't matter.
if you
Because like
change, well, your parents aren't going to limit themselves, right? And so they're going to register their devices as, their own devices. So you just copy their MAC address and make it yours. And all of a
Of
sudden,
course.
nothing applies. It's actually that simple. Unless they've like got a hardware solution, then
But
that
they
would
don't.
work. Exactly. They're
What's the
most
thing
likely using like
that
Disney
you
Circle
use
or
to limit?
something.
What's the thing you use to limit the axle or like limit movement from the axle?
Uh, limit movement from the axle.
Like
A
what if you're
bearing?
watching my stream? No. Um, so if you watch my stream, so I'm gonna have like on this side, I'm gonna have a metal plate, and this is where the sprocket and the belt's gonna be, and on the other side, it's gonna have the plate, but I just want it to cap off. What's that piece I need to cap it off and make sure it doesn't go anywhere?
Oh, to cap it off, you're asking for a coupler or a a cup. Yeah, like a shaft. Oh, a shaft collar. You'll need a bearing and a shaft collar. I know a couple kids at our school that you could get a free collar from. You wouldn't even have to pay.
What does that
Might be a
even
little
mean?
oversized for what we're doing though.
Oh, it's these screw
I'm
things
gonna
from the
mute my Right, I think that's the end of today's stream.